Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see the shortcut keys of Excel. There are several shortcut keys in Excel, but today among them we will learn 30 shortcut keys which will help us to do our work easily. Number 1. Control plus A. Select all the contents in a workbook. So if we click on Control plus A, so we can see the all contents in the workbook have been selected. Next, number 2, Control plus B. Turn selected cells bold. So if you want to turn selected cells, suppose let's select the cells into bold, we will click the shortcut key Control plus B. So you can see it has turned into bold. Number 3, Control plus C. Copy cells that are selected. So if you want to copy the cells, we will select the cells, we will click on Control C and we can paste it anywhere we want. See, it has been copied. Okay. Number 4, Control plus D. To fill the selected cell with the content of the cell right above. So suppose we have written here study Zealots. Now we want to copy it. So what we will do, we will select it and we will click Control D. So you can see below ones also have been changed. Okay. Next, Control plus F to search for anything in a workbook. So if we click on Control plus F, a dialog box will appear where we can find whatever we need to find in the workbook. Next, Control plus G to jump to a certain area with a single command. So if we want to jump to a certain area with a single command, we can use this shortcut key. Next, Control plus H. Find and replace cell contents. So if we click on Control plus H, we can see find what has come and replace with what has come. So here we can put the data and we can find and replace whatever we want to do. Next, Control plus I. Italize cell contents. We need to select and click Control plus I. So you can see the font has been changed into italic. Next, Control K. Insert hyperlink in a cell. Okay, so if you want to insert a hyperlink in a cell, we will click Control K. So you can see a hyperlink, insert hyperlink dialog box will appear. Next, Control plus L. Open the create table dialog box. So if we click on Control plus L, you can see table dialog box has opened. So now we will see Control plus N to create a new workbook. Control plus O is used for opening a saved workbook. Control plus P is used to print a workbook. Control plus R to fill the selected cell with the content of the cell on the left. Suppose here it is written studies a lot, we want it here also. So we will click Control plus R. So you can see it has been copied over here also. Okay. Next, Control plus S is to save a workbook. Control plus U, underline selected cells. Suppose we select the cells and we click on Control plus U. So you can see the selected cells have been underlined. Control plus V is to paste anything that was copied. We have seen it earlier. Control plus W, close your current workbook. Control plus X is to cut selected content. Okay, suppose we want to cut it from here and we want to paste it over here. So you can see it has been come to this position. Okay. Next, Control plus Z, undo the last action, but we want to move it back to the earlier portion. So we'll click Control plus Z. So you can see it has moved to the portion which were earlier. Okay. Next, Control plus 0 is to hide a column. Control plus 1 is to format the cell contents. Control plus 5 is to put a strike through in a cell. Suppose we select it and we give Control plus 5. So you can see a strike through has been done. Okay. Control plus 9 is to hide a row. If you want to hide a row, we will give Control plus 9. So you see the row has been hidden. Okay. Control plus semicolon to enter the current date in a cell, if you want to enter the current date in a cell, we'll give control plus semicolon. See, the date has appeared. Okay. Control plus shift plus to enter the current time in a cell. So if you want current time in a cell, we'll give control shift and colon. So you can see time has been given. Next, control plus dash to delete columns or rows. Control plus home to redirect to cell A1. Control plus N to go to the last cell in the workbook. Control plus spacebar to select the entire column. Okay, so you can see by clicking control plus spacebar we can select the entire column. So we will use the shortcut key to select the entire column. Thanks for watching this video. For more upcoming and informative videos, please do like, share and subscribe our channel.